we are going to start exercise 2.5. But before that, you should know these conversions. That is, in 1 rupee there are 100 paise. In 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeter. In 1 meter there are 100 centimeter. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter. In 1 kilogram there are 1000 gram. And in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter. So now we are going to start exercise 2.5. Question number 1. Which is greater? What is the question? Which is greater? So the two numbers are given to you and you have to find which is greater, 0.5 or 0.05. Second, 0.7 or 0.5. Third is 7 or 0.7. Fourth, what is fourth? 1.37 or 1.49. After this, fifth, 2.03 or 2.30. And last, 0.8 or 0.88. Okay. So you have to write which is greater. So write down the proper symbol of less than or greater than in between the given numbers. So see 0.5 and 0.05. Which is greater? 0.5 is greater. So it is greater than 0.05. Just this is the answer. 0.7 or 0.5? 0.7 is greater than 0.5. The next is 7 or 0.7. So 7 is greater than 0.7. 1.37 or 1.49. So 1.37 is less than 1.49, means 1.49 is greater. Next is 2.03 or 2.30. So 2.03 is less than 2.30. 2.30 is greater. Next is 0.8 or 0.88. So 0.8 is less than 0.88. In this way, you can write which is greater or which is smaller by putting the appropriate sign in between them. Now this is the second question. Here you have to express the given decimals in rupees. Okay, express as rupee using decimal. You have to express as rupee. Okay, not given decimal. That whatever the means question is there, you have to express it in rupees. So you know that in 1 rupee there are 100 paise. Okay, in 1 rupee there are 100 paise. So in 1 paisa there are how many rupees? 1 upon 100. So from this you can understand that whenever you have to convert this paisa into rupees, so you have to divide whatever the number is there for rupees by 100. Whenever you are going to convert paise into rupees, so at that time you have to divide by 100. And when you have to convert rupees into paise, so you have to multiply by 100. Okay, so you have to convert here in rupee, so divide by 100, the paise. Okay, paise divided by 100. So 7 paise means 7 paise means rupees. You have to express in rupees, so 7 upon 100. So what is the answer? Rupees 0.07. As at the place of denominator there is 100, there are 2 zeros. So after the decimals there should be 2 digits. That's why it is 0.07. So second is 7 rupees and 7 paise. You have to express this all in rupees. So how you will write it as this 7 rupees as it is plus you have to convert this 7 paise into rupees. So 7 upon 100. That means what? This rupees 7 as it is plus 7 upon 100 means rupees 0.07. And after adding, what you will get? You will get rupees 7.07. This is the answer for second. Now last, third. What is third? 77 rupees and 77 paise. So you have to convert this into rupees. So how you will convert? Write down this 77 rupees as it is plus this 77 paise. Whenever you are going to convert paise into rupees, so you have to divide that number by 100 as I told you before. So divide it by 100. What you are going to get? This rupees 77 as it is plus rupees 77 upon 100 means 0.77. So add this rupees. What you are going to get? 77.77. This is the final answer.